chemicals are being used in our plant. Recently, we have installed first in Satara and we few within and few of in Satara districts. Very few companies are having this facility. Zero liquid discharge system we have installed, and all these are things which are now regulations are becoming tightened, and it is our responsibility to respond to all these regulations and carry out necessary things and processes at our plant. So that has been also carried out at our plant. Next, we have gone Greenco rating, and in that Greenco rating, um, product world-class energy efficiency we could achieve at our plant, water positive, we could save energy as well as we could save water, we could try to reduce carbon uh, footprint at our plant, zero waste concept is being implemented, lower raw material and consumable utilization, greener supply chain, unnecessarily movement of vehicles which are producing green gases. We tried to reduce by next operation, green infrastructure, biodiversity, and product stewardship. Cradle to grave concept is been utilized. Unnecessarily packing waste requirement was reduced, and environment friendly packing stuff we started to use. Next, energy efficiency, very simple thing we could do. Earlier we were using reciprocating compressor which was consuming more electrical energy. Subsequently we decided to go for screw compressor, which we could save lot of units, electrical units per day. We started using AFDs on most of the machines having motor HP more than 5, because VFDs are not widely used in industry. That is very important in today's context. We installed roof solar systems at our plant. We started using transvector air guns, because compressed air is a very costly affair, and that leads to higher energy consumption. So usage of transvector guns, in which only 30% compressed air is being used and 70. These things are we not aware. We were not aware, and most of the industries they go for low cost things, and they enter into spending much on the electrical energy. So these are the things. Next, we used air pressure and friction and pressure drops at the compressed air line. Then we have gas tanks. That concept is also being used, where we could save very small improvements we could conduct and implement, and that has helped us to reduce a lot of electrical energy in our plant. Next, many engineers were, I was also not, in spite of having post-graduation in production engineering, I was not aware electrical motors, IE class. Most of the electrical motors are IE3 class, and now IE4, IE5 class electrical motors are available. Motors are normally used for 25 to 30 years, and efficiency IE3 is having only 82 or 89, and IE4 class above 94. So that efficiency we are all the time losing in the electrical consumption. So these are the minor things, but these changes could be possible after learning or going through this green journey. Next, I already told that we have recently implemented this green zero defect, zero effect, and zero liquid discharge plant in our powder coating unit. That was first in Satara. We have been using a lot of water saving projects. We are using rainwater harvesting. We are doing rainwater harvesting, and very soon we are going to be water positive. Whatever water we are using throughout the year, we are giving back to groundwater, and that way we are more responsible in usage of water. So we are water positive in that context. Next. Magic pits and other things are in place there. So water, groundwater recharge is being done at our plant. Next. As I said, because I mean, entrepreneur is not I mean, much bothered about how many, what way inbound material is received and how the dispatches are made. Whether the I mean loaded truck is fully loaded or it is underutilized, because every trip, every kilometer increases greenhouse gas, and so we try to calculate the requirement. We try to use maximum capacity of the vehicles and reduce GHG in our plant by milk run concept. We encourage our workers to use pooling system rather than coming or using individual coming on his own vehicle. So that way also we are encouraging our people to reduce unnecessary emission of greenhouse gas. Next. Our plant is surrounded by plants and trees. Every tree absorbs 15 kg of greenhouse gas. These are the now need of the hour, and we are ahead of all these things, regulations which are coming in place in today's context. Waste is very important aspect which is normally ignored in industry, because entrepreneur thinks that only numbers and profits he is concentrating, but in the process we get a lot of waste generated, and improper collection or segregation is not been done. In fact, waste is wealth actually, it is said now, because you can see if proper segregation is being done while processing, or whatever generation waste is getting generated, if you segregate that waste as per various categories, you also get a reasonable cost, and it is getting to the manufacturer, and you save planet. So that aspect is very important while running industry. It's not while always we think of making higher production numbers and profits, but this aspect is ignored. That aspect is very important in today's context, and one should be separate hazardous and non-hazardous waste properly, and we have system of segregation, collection and storage of all this waste at our plant. That is very important thing, very important aspect of environment we have been covering since long. We have separate storage and disposal this thing. In the process we have also adopted practices to reduce the waste. We are monitoring how much waste is getting generated in the manufacturing process, how much scrap is generated, how much real plastic waste, wood waste and corrugated waste is getting generated in the process, and that we are trying to dispose of properly as per rules and regulations. Next. Green infrastructure I have already discussed. We have been also socially, trying to make our organization more social sensitive. Recently, we have also carried out tree plantation, not only in our campus surrounding the plant, as well as we have also planted and helped non-government voluntary organizations to plant about 50 trees on Charbeti area. So these are some of the social responsibilities also we are involved in. Next. See, fume scrubber. This is very important requirement insisted by Maharashtra Pollution Control Boards, but most of the units they are not adopting these practices. Incidentally, we have scrubber system because we have zinc plating facility, and those toxic emissions of gases, those are harmful to the human being, which we scrub, and those are scrubbed, and only fresh air is being sent to the atmosphere. So this is, although the equipment is costly, I have responsibly invested in all such products, equipments, and I try to make our atmosphere. Um, these are the benefits. See, reduction of reduces energy, water, and other conservation, conservating resource conservation. Then helps companies to look beyond. Then the preferred vendor, we could get status from the customers. Then enhances the green image of the company, increase output opportunities. Then green really makes business sense nowadays. While investing in all such equipments, one should not be think of pay back. They must come forward and pay front. That is the aspect of the this thing. Next. Because of all these things, our company is getting a lot of awards and accolades, and that has given us more motivation to carry out all the good things at the plant. Not only earning money has to be there. One should entrepreneur, that is in the prime aim of the entrepreneur. But while earning money, all these aspects are also we have been adopting at our plant. And our plant, we could make more leaner and greener in the process. Next. These are the various distinct awards. Next. Thank you very much. I thank all the dignitaries who have given me the opportunity to share our experiences in industry. Thank you very much.